In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working promo codes or coupon codes or discount codes on Raid Shadow Legends in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. And then go to google.com and here in the search box enter Raid Shadow Legends promo code. It shows up different websites where you can find promo codes, and you can open up any of them and then just scroll down for a bit until you find promo codes. Here, as you can see, I got 6 promo codes. Here at the table I got code, and there I can get information about the rewards that gives you that coupon code. So now all you have to do is copy that promo code, then open up Raid Shadow Legends application and then redeem that coupon code and get the reward. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.